Hi guys, and welcome to the very first episode of the tutorials about PHPmyAdmin and MySQL and PHP scripting and all these combined. We will go through PHP scripting, how to control databases, how to create databases, how to delete databases, both through PHP scripting and at PHPmyAdmin's websites as well. So we will cover most of the parts, everything about MySQL, PHPmyAdmin, and work with this with PHP scripting. So what I first need to do is you need to have a PHPmyAdmin login to create your databases in and tables. You get it for free if you have a domain registered with a provider like GoDaddy. Mostly of these provides databases as well with MySQL. I will show you how to create a database with GoDaddy's cPanel. cPanel is the most original thing how to work with your domain and your files and your applications with your domain. So what I want you to do is create a new database. We're going to add a new database. So within the cPanel, parallel plastic panel, we're going to add a new database, and the name for this is going to be PHP underline PHP underline tutorial, right? PHP underline tutorial, and this is going to be a MySQL server, and this is our IP address for the database. So we're going to create a new database user as well. So the username will be tutorial, and the password, use whatever I want. I'm gonna use tutorial. Sorry, we're gonna tutorial. So show it. We're gonna add it to number 2, tutorial 2. Tutorial 2. Tutorial 2. There we go. Okay. So now we have our database created, and this is my entire list of all my databases. I used to use a database for every website I build, but this is a new one, PHP tutorial, what we just created, and we're gonna use this as a web admin. So click web admin, and you open the PHPmyAdmin and the version of this PHPmyAdmin you're currently using. So this is what it looks like, and this is default language is Swedish. Yes, I'm a Swede, but I prefer it in English because I get so damn confused with the Swedish words. So yeah, now it looks better. I can increase the font size for you so you can see better what I write. So now we have a blank database. There's no tables, there's nothing, it's completely blank. So first thing we do is to create a table. This may look fucked up for you because this is one original theme. Default you use Pahomey theme. Change to original theme and it will be much better. So yeah, we start to create a new table for our tutorial, and this pops up, and here we have different inputs. Default it's 4 of them. So this is the name of the column you'll use. Up here you have the name of the table. We're gonna name the tutorial. And if you click on type here, a lot of different values will pop up. Depending on what you will write in here, you can use different input types. So let's say we're gonna add one very useful thing. For every thing we will add to this table, it will also add an ID automatically. So we call this ID, and this is the ID for the input value that we put in later, and this will be 4. And now we come to the most important thing here, the auto increments. If you add this, the PHPmyAdmin will automatically add a value to this ID. So if let's say we input something to this table, that will add a number. It can be 9,999 values. If we make 4, it can be 99,999, and so on. 4 is a very good. So up to 10,000 values you can insert here. I will show later what I mean with this. And now we're gonna add another column. This will be called name. And we're gonna add this voucher. Don't mind what they're called, just do what I say, and it will be good. Voucher 65. 65 is the maximum values of the name column. So you can't add more letters than 65. And everything will be default, so skip the rest. And we're gonna add one called email, and this will be voucher 65 as well. So 65 is the maximum amount of letters for the email column. So that's pretty much it for our first tutorials table. And now we click save. So now we have created our table. You can see up here, this is what the PHPadmin has done. It's using PHPscripting for creating this, and you can, in the future, if you like, use this kind of scripting in your PHP script for creating a table dynamically through your website. It's very, very functional. So now we have our table created, and now it's just to begin scripting and adding data to this, and we can insert value to this through PHPmyAdmin as well, and that's what we're going to do now. So go to Insert tab, and this is what I mean. The first column here, ID, this is, you skip this, and we go down to the name column. In name, we write the name of what you want to input. I will write my name, Ossi. So, and the email will be like this. So, and now we don't. This is auto increment. So, anytime we add a value to this table, this will be automatically. I told you before, but you will notice. And go. Ignore the other one here. Just keep it to the top. Now go. And you see it uses PHP scripting as well. Yeah. So now it's done. So let's go to the tutorial table and see what's done. So when you see here, this is our table now. ID column, we have one row. ID, it's automatically. Name, Aussie, email, my email. So, and we can use PHP scripting for adding data to this as well. And I can show you to insert another one and see what happens to the ID column. Let's call this name Obama. and his email is obama at whitehouse.org. Go. Omaba with the Obama misspelled. So let's go to the tutorial tab again and take a look. Yeah, the ID has changed to 212, and his name is Obama, and his email is omaba whitehouse.org. So it worked, yes, like we wanted to. So yeah, now you learn the basic stuff about PHP MyAdmin databases. This was the first tutorial, and next time we're gonna script some PHP in Dreamweaver to control PHPmyAdmin databases and order results and insert stuff into the database. So